Hello everyone! I'm gonna head out to see my doctor today and the Chanel wallet on chain is coming with me. This is not a review video but rather a what's in my bag type of video. If you've seen my unboxing, this Chanel walk is fairly new and today is the first time I'm gonna use this. If you wanna see how I pack this tiny walk, then keep on watching. For reference, this wallet on chain measures 7.5 inches in width, 4.8 inches in height, and 1.4 inches in depth. This walk is small, even smaller than my other wallets on chain. Comparing it to Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie is wider by about an inch. And to Gucci wallet on chain, Gucci is 0.5 of an inch wider and a bit taller too. These are my daily essentials. Money of course and cards. My key pouch. It can also hold coins, so I'm gonna put my coins in there. My hand sanitizer, my lippy, perfume, oil absorbing paper, my phone, this is an iPhone 8, and my sunglasses. I would just like to mention that these sunglasses are the clip-on type. I ordered this specifically for my mini bags. If you're not wearing prescription glasses, foldable sunglasses may be a good option too for mini handbags. You just have to sacrifice on the brand, of course. I've already inserted my cards in there. Cash goes in the slip pocket for easy access. My Louis Vuitton key pouch. It has my house key, my key fob, and coins. This is best placed horizontally. I'm gonna use this oil absorbing paper in lieu of a compact powder to save some space. My hand sanitizer. My lipstick, this is by Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk Medium. My lip balm. My travel-sized perfume. My clip-on glasses. And my phone. The sides are a little bit distorted. The leather is soft, so it's like taking the shape of the things that are in there. The bottom looks okay. Guess I might need a base shaper for this. My alcohol wipes go in the Mona Lisa back pocket. These wipes are the best in disinfecting phones. And because I'm too lazy to always use these card slots here, I prefer my cards to be in the card case. Not only does it fit, but easier to transfer as well from one bag to another. This card case is by Louis Vuitton. Having all my things lined up on the bottom and nothing on top makes it easier for me to find things inside the bag and easier to close too. So there, everything I need seems to fit like so. I haven't even used the zip pockets. Tissue, feminine liners, or even a passport can fit in one of those zip pockets. Isn't it awesome? Before I end this video, I would just like to show you this clear bag which I got from Amazon. Has it ever happened to you that whenever you use those alcohol at public places, you can't control the dispenser? Where alcohol is all over your pants and the floor? And you're paranoid that some alcohol droplets might have reached your bag? Oh well, maybe it's just me. But hey, bags need to be protected too, right? If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. I would love to have you back here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye!